Lucy's guarding her babies. She put them in her house. She just stands there and stares at them. She doesn't want anybody to get them. Lucy, are those your babies? Lucy. Are those your babies? Okay, you sit and watch. Make sure no one gets them. Lucy, you're just watching your babies in there? Are they okay? Are they okay? Nobody's going to touch them. Lucy, you're a good mommy. You're a good mommy. Do they need water? Your babies need water? Or cookies? Yeah, maybe your baby needs a cookie. You want to give your babies cookies? No? Okay. You give them water? Lucy, are you going to sit there all day and watch the babies? They're okay. Nobody's going to hurt them. You're a good mommy. You got birdies for babies. Lucy, your babies need a bath? You want to give your babies a bath? You think they need a bath? Your babies? The birdies need a bath? Birdies want to go outside? You want to bring birdies outside? Yeah? What do you think? Yeah? Is that a good idea? You think so? We can do that. Or do your birdies have to go sleep? Do they want to go sleep, birdies? Are they okay? They okay, Lucy? They're okay. Okay, that's good. You're checking on them? Make sure they're okay? You gonna get them, Lucy? You gonna get them? You gonna get your birdies? Yeah? You can lay down and watch your birdies. Let me see what they doing in there, the birdies. Oh, that's a good birdie. That's good birdie. Okay, you watch. Make sure nobody touches those birdies. Are they okay? Does the birdie need breakfast? Does the birdie need breakfast? Go see. Go see if birdie needs breakfast. Lucy, does your birdie need a cookie? You want to give your birdie a bath? Does your birdie need a bath? No? Do you want to go outside, Lucy? Do you want to go outside and go for a walk? You want to go for a walk? Can you leave your birdie to go for a walk? Okay, give your birdie a kiss. Go give him a kiss. Lucy, go give Birdie a kiss. All right, we're going to go outside. I can't tape you any longer. Okay?